Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve permutation and combination NCERT class 11th chapter 7 miscellaneous examples. Examples 21. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has part 1 no girl, part 2 at least 1 boy and 1 girl, part 3 at least 3 girls. Solution part 1. The team has to be selected and there should not be any girl or no girl should be selected in that team. So we have to select the team from the 7 boys. Team of 5 boys can be selected in 7C5 ways. This is equal to 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 7 minus 5, that is 2 factorial. That is 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2 factorial. That comes out to be 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So 5 factorial of numerator cancels the 5 factorial of denominator and 2 cancels the 6 for 3 times. So this comes out to be 7 times 3 equal to 21 teams. So part 1 has the answer 21 teams when no girls is selected and all 5 boys are selected out of 7 boys. Part 2 at least 1 boy and 1 girl. Here the word at least is important. It means that the team which has to be selected should have at least 1 boy and 1 girl. This can be done in 1 boy and 4 girls, 2 boy and 3 girls, 3 boy and 2 girls, and 4 boys and 1 girl. These are the 4 options which has to be calculated, and the sum of these 4 options is the answer of this part of the question. So we start with it. Part A, 1 boy and 4 girl. This can be done in 1 boy can be selected out of 7 boys in 7C1 ways, and this is to be multiplied by 4 girls to be selected from 4 girls in 4C4 ways. This is equal to 7C1 is equal to 7 and 4C4 equal to 1. This is equal to 7 ways. Part B, 2 boys and 3 girls. This can be done in 7C2 into 4C3 ways. So this can be done in 7C2 into 4C3 ways, which is equal to 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial. This is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 factorial upon 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 into 5 factorial multiplied by 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial multiplied by 1. So 3 factorial of numerator cancels the 3 factorial of denominator, and 5 factorial of numerator cancels the 5 factorial of denominator, and 2 of the denominator cancels the 6 of numerator for 3 times. This comes out to be 7 times 3 is 21 times 4 is 84 ways. So 2 boys and 3 girls can be selected in 84 ways. Part C, 3 boys and 2 girls. This can be selected in 7C3 multiplied by 4C2 ways. This can be calculated like this: 7 factorial upon 3 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 factorial upon 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by numerator of the second part is 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 into 1. So we cancel the 4 factorial of numerator by 4 factorial of denominator and 2 factorial of numerator by 2 factorial of denominator, and we cancel 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6 of denominator to 6 of numerator, and 2 of denominator cancels the 4 of numerator for 2 times. So this is equal to 7 times 5 is 35 multiplied by 3 times 2 is 6. 35 times 6 is 210. So the team of 3 boys and 2 girls can be made in 210 ways. Part D, 4 boys and 1 girl. In a team of 5 we have the other choice is 4 boys and 1 girl. That can be done in 7C4 multiplied by 4C1 ways. This is equal to 7 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial. This is equal to 7 factorial can be written as 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 factorial upon 4 factorial, and 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 multiplied by 4 factorial can be written as 4 multiplied by 3 factorial upon 1 multiplied by 3 factorial. The 4 factorial of numerator cancels the 4 factorial of denominator, and 3 factorial of numerator cancels the 3 factorial of denominator. 3 into 2 equal to 6 cancels the 6 of numerator, and this is equal to 7 times 5 is 35 multiplied by 4 is 140. So the team of 5 persons in which at least 1 girl and 1 boy is there can be constituted or can be selected in 4 ways. That is, part A is which consists 1 boy and 4 girl, that is 7 ways, plus 2 boy and 3 girl, that can be done in 84 ways, plus 3 boys and 2 girls can be done in 210 ways, plus 4 boys and 1 girl can be selected in 140 ways. This comes out to be 7 plus 84 plus 210 plus 140. So 7 plus 4 is 11. We write 1 we carry 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, we write 4, and carry 1, 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So there are 441 ways of selecting this team, which consists of at least one boy and a girl. One boy and one girl. Part 3, at least 3 girls, in which there are 2 situations. Part A is 3 girls and 2 boys, and part B, 4 girls and 1 boy. So we calculate first 3 girls and 2 boys. This can be done in 4C3 multiplied by 7C 2 ways. This can be calculated like this. 4C3 is factorial 4 upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial multiplied by 7C2 is 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 factorial. This is equal to 4 factorial can be written as 4 multiplied by 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial is 1, and 7 factorial can be written as 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 factorial upon 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 multiplied by 5 factorial. We cancel the 3 factorial of numerator by 3 factorial of denominator, and 5 factorial of numerator by 5 factorial of denominator, and we cancel 2 of denominator, cancels the 6 of numerator for 3 times. So this is equal to 7 times 3 times 4 is 84. So there are 84 ways of selecting 3 girls and 2 boys. And part B, 4 girls and 1 boy. So 4 girls can be selected in one way, that is 4C4 multiplied by 7C1, 4C4 equal to 1, and 7C1 is equal to 7. This gives us equal to 7 ways. So total number of ways equal to 84 plus 7 equal to 91 ways. So there are 91 ways of selecting at least 3 girls in a team of 5 persons. So answer to the part 1 of the question, where no girls is to be selected, is 21. Such teams can be formed in which there is no girl. Part 2, at least 1 boy and 1 girl. The team selected are 441. Such teams can be selected in which there are at least 1 boy and 1 girl. And part 3, at least 3 girls. These teams can be selected in 91 ways. So this is the answer of the given question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.